Okay, so hi, I'm Alistair McKenzie. I'm the head of science and medicine and lead physio at Derbyshire County Cricket Club. And today I'm just going to go through my basic ankle taping for a posterior impingement on a fast bowler. So all I have today is some Hyperfix, some Tiger tape, and then some EAB. And yeah, we'll go ahead. So just come down this way, just so your foot's right off the edge. So first things first, I just wrap the Hyperfix around the base, just above the ankle joint. Come down a little bit more for me. It's going to be sore when you have to take this off. So I wrap around Hyperfix through there. Second Hyperfix. Trying to get as much coverage as possible. So in a game, we might have to do this taping multiple times. So I like to use Hyperfix just to protect the skin, just from irritating, and especially when they get sweaty and so on. I cover the bridge foot there. Then taking just the Tiger tape, keeping the foot in a dorsiflex position, trying to restrict them going into plantar flexion. So you anchor there, and then if you come a bit closer, 2 stirrups. No creases. And then double that up again, so 4 stirrups. Holding the ankle in that dorsiflex position. Then I go 6, lateral to medial, letting the tape forward, 6, medial to lateral. Key thing is to try and avoid just going over the base of the 5th met there, adding a little bit of compression. If you go over that point, it might irritate the base of the 5th met. So just trying to use that as a marker for where to go. I'll double those over again for a heavier strap. And same again, follow that round. Compress it in, stick it down. And then just 2 heel locks. So coming around back and up. Second heel lock. There. And then taking just the EAB and a nice coverage around the midfoot. Heel, heel lock, back up. There you go.